Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see yet another past year question on incomplete records. Question number 3B, carrying 10 marks of May 2023. As I am working in a school, I did not find time to post the videos in time. So I'll be posting now and then. So I'm sorry for that. And please share my videos to as many friends of yours so that everyone gets benefited. And don't forget to subscribe if you are watching it without subscribing. And comment, leave your comments and give a thumbs up so that we are encouraged to give you more and more videos. If you like my videos, please give a thumbs up. And I'm planning to post around 19 to 20 questions of past year, including your MTP and RTP on incomplete records. I'll be posting it as and when I find time. Please bear with me. So let us get into this video now. Mr. Takewood keeps his books of accounts on single entry system. The following information is given. They have given the opening balances. He keeps his books of accounts on single entry system. It means incomplete records. So, and they have given some transactions, some 8 numbers are given, and then you are asked to prepare trading account, P&L account and balance sheet. Whenever you are asked to prepare trading PL and balance sheet from incomplete records, we already know that incomplete records means both the aspects, the debit aspect and credit aspects are not recorded completely. So what we have to do, we have to record both the aspects. That's it. So if you record both the aspects, you will be able to do the sum at an ease. And what you have to do, initially you may be taking much more time, but this question you have to do it within 15 minutes. So what you must do, first practice by writing, taking the question and writing the question answer in your own hand first time, then again do it after 2 days, then do it again after 3 days. Likewise, you have to do it at least 3 times, and then after the completion of this chapter, you give a thorough revision of all the complete chapter, all the illustrations, MTP, RTP, everything, before going for your final revision. So, before going to your final revision, each chapter must be at least 5 times to be practiced so that you get speed and accuracy. Okay, now let us get into the video. Whenever you see this type of question, you must first see that whether opening capital is given or not. Okay, opening capital is given, very good, because you are escaped from preparing one working note, that is statement of affairs for finding out the opening capital. So we need not to prepare that. Next one, we have to prepare sundry debtors account and sundry creditors account, and because the some of the transactions are involving cash and bank payments and receipts, we have to prepare cash and bank account also. Okay, then we will be able to find out the trading and P&L account and balance sheet. So now what I am going to do, first I am going to post all the opening balances. So let me post it in cash and bank account. I have prepared this formats for saving the time. Opening cash. Cash is 4,000 rupees. Okay. So cash account I have prepared as a joint account. You can prepare separately also. Okay. So 4,000 is my cash and 28,000 is my bank. Okay. I think I am right. 28,000 bank. Okay. Now moving on to the next item, sundry creditors. They have given the sundry creditors opening balance as 15,000. Okay, done. Next one, they have given capital. This will go to our current balance sheet inner column because we have to add something. So 95,000. 95,000 is the capital amount we have entered. Next, they have given stock account. Stock account is will go to your trading account. Stock they have given opening stock 35,000. I'm just posting the opening balances given in your question. Fixed asset 20,000, debtors 23,000. Fixed asset I am keeping it in this inner column. The closing balance may be same, may not be same. We do not know. Just I am entering here. So debtors account, the opening balance given as 23,000. Okay. Now moving on to the transactions given one by one, we have to do it. That's it. So first one is during the year 22-23, sundry creditors were paid in cash 26,000 and 1,55,000 by check. What is the journal entry? Creditor account debit to cash or bank account. And the amount received that cash account and the bank account will get debited and debtor account will get credited. So let us do this entries in our accounts. So by cash debtor we have received 55,000. So I am writing the first receipt entry and we have received from debtors 1,90,000 by check. Okay. And we have made payment to creditors. Cash we have paid 26,000. Through bank we have paid 1,55,000. Now we have to enter these things into cash and bank account also. Then our double aspect will get completed. So by creditors, the payment made. Creditors I am writing in short, you don't please write. Cash we have paid 26,000 and the bank we have paid. We take this to this page. 1,55,000. So we made the payment of 1,55,000 to creditors. Okay. So now this we have received from debtors. We have received cash 55,000 and we have received through check. We have received 1,90,000. This cash and bank account you can prepare separately or you can prepare a joint like this also. So it is up to your convenience. Now we have completed this item. Next one, all sales and purchases were on credit. Okay, there is no cash purchases, no cash sales. Okay, balances as on 31st March. They have given the closing balance of sundry debtors and creditors. This will go to your working note as well as your current balance sheet. Okay. So now moving on to current balance sheet, sundry debtors, we have to record what is the amount I have seen, 27,000. Creditors, 35,000. So this is the closing balance. So we have to enter this into our working note also. Balance carried down is 27,000 and creditors balance carried down is 35,000. Okay, so now we can Go to the next item. Okay, next item is they are saying that all expenses were debited to P&L account were disbursed by checks. Now see, you have to read it very, very carefully, the question. All expenses were paid. They have paid and also debited to P&L account, but they did not give you the amount what was paid. That we have to find out. Petty expenses 7,500 paid in cash. What is the journal entry? I have written petty expenses account debit to cash account, and this petty expense being a nominal account will go to your P&L account. So P&L account will get debited by 7,500. So first we will be writing it in our P&L account to petty expenses. Everything I am writing in short. Please don't follow this. Whenever you write it in full and practice. 7,500. So cash has gone out to this extent. So in the cash account, by petty expenses, 7,500 has gone. And we do not know the expenses paid by check. By expenses I am writing so that we don't forget it. By expenses we have to fill it here. Okay, so now moving on to the next item, what the adjustment they are giving. Next one, they are saying that we do not know the expenses paid, but they are giving on point number 5, outstanding expenses were 2,000. What is the journal entry? Expenses debit to outstanding expenses account. So let me write that expense will also go to your P&L account. So expenses account that we do not know, that we will be filling it here. So we are going to add outstanding expenses. This will be 2,000. Okay, then we will be writing it here. So this outstanding expenses is a liability, will go to your balance sheet also. So now we have completed the double entry for outstanding expenses, point number 5. Now moving on to point number 6. Net profit they have already given 41,000 after allowing 10% depreciation on fixed asset. Depreciation debit to fixed asset account. Ultimately, depreciation will go to your P&L account. Okay. So now net profit is already transferred here. So we are going to write the depreciation 10 percentage on fixed assets. That is your 20,000 fixed asset. 10% will be 2,000. This is will go to your P&L account, and we have to write it in our balance sheet also. Less depreciation 10 percentage. So you have to write 2,000. Write it in the outer column 18,000. I'll write this debtor also in the outer column 27,000. I'll rub off this. Okay. So now next one is, so we have completed depreciation and 41,000 I have already entered. Now closing stock is valued at 75,000. Closing stock will appear in your trading account and your current balance sheet. I'm going slowly. The video may be a little bit longer, but you will be able to understand it properly. So 75,000. So be patient while watching this video. So closing stock also we have entered. Now moving on to the next one. Drawings is 10,000 by cash and 14,000 by check. Drawing account debit to cash or bank account, and then this drawing will get subtracted from your capital account. So now I am going to write by cash. He is withdrawing 10,000, and by bank he has withdrawn 14,000. So the total of drawings 24,000 we are going to deduct from the capital. Okay. So net profit already we know 41,000. The sum they have given the net profit. So I am writing here. So we will be doing it later. So now drawing is also over. All the points we have covered. Now we have to close one by one account. I am going to close the sundry debtor account. 55 plus 190 plus 27. The total comes to 2,72,000. 2,72,000. I am copying that here. 2,72,000 minus 23,000. So the credit sales will become the balancing figure. This is your 2,49,000. Okay. So I'll close the creditor and then go to trading account. So now creditors account is so 155 plus 35 plus 26 comes to 2,16,000. So copy this here. 2,16,000. So this will become 2,01,000. So we are going to record this in your trading account. So trading account purchases has become 2,01,000 and sales has become 2,49,000. I think so. 2,49,000. So we are going to add this 249 plus 75 becomes 3,24,000. 3,24,000. Copying this side 3,24,000. What is the gross profit coming is 88,000. Okay, so now the gross profit is brought down here 88,000. There are no other expenses, but we do not know this expenses. This will become our balancing figure. Okay, so now we are going to add this 41 plus 7, 48 plus 2, 50. 88,000 minus 50,500 comes as 37,500. So the total is here 37,500. See, you have to be careful here also. Here 2,000 is your outstanding. So what is this figure? 35,500. Okay. So this is the expenses paid by bank. Now we have to go to bank account. So let me clear here 88,000. 88,000. So you cannot close the cash and bank account before closing this P&L account. So 35,500. So expenses is paid. If you write here, even at the last, you will be able to find out that something is not done yet. So 35,500, 155,000, and drawing account, I have forgotten to write here. By drawing, 10,000 was taken as cash and 14,000 was taken from bank. So the total comes to this side 190 plus 28,000. This is 2,18,000. One is 59,000. This is 7,500. 26 plus 7, 33, 43,500. If you subtract 43,500, 26 plus 10, 36, 36 plus 7.5, it is 43.5 minus 59 is your 15,500. So the balance of bank, sorry, cash is 15,500. What is the bank balance? 155 plus 14 plus 35.5 minus 218,000, that comes to 13,500. This we have to, this closing balances we have to record in our balance sheet. 59,000. So 2,18,000. So now we have completed the work note of cash and bank account, debtor account, creditor account, and then your P&L account also over. So now we are going to record it in here. Cash account 13,500. Sorry, 15,500. Bank account is 13,500. Am I right? Yes, that cash is 15,500. So now the total of 18,000 plus 27 plus 75 plus 15 plus 13, it comes to 1,49,000. Okay, so this one is 95 plus 41 minus 24, 1,12,000. The capital account is 1,12,000 plus 37 plus 37 gives you 1,49,000. Balance sheet now tallied. So you have to do like this. Please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you.